Okay guys, you're welcome back. Now in this particular tutorial we'll be talking about the text tool. Now this is actually one tool I don't use. I don't use it. So it just helps you in adding text to your image. You can just put your two finger. You can use it to reduce the size of the text. To just double tap on the text to change the word. Let me use Zaxis. Okay, so this is what I'm having now. Zaxis. This is the text I choose. So I can come here. This for this text palette. This is the color palette for the color for the text. So that's for this other one. This is the opacity. Now this inverts. If you want just this text, the image should be appearing on the text, where everywhere will be dark. That's where that invert working. This invert here, when I click on it, you can see like the text is now reflecting on this image. But I'll come back and click on invert. But you can reduce the opacity. You just want it to be like this. But so it's your choice. It's your choice if you want it to be like this. Now this other one is variations of text. The way you can see, let me just increase the opacity back, go back to invert, come back here. I'm giving different fonts, and this is like a script font. This normal serif, this is a normal sans serif, normal sans serif. These are normal sans serif fonts. Now these are handwriting fonts, so different styles. Okay, so I don't use it, so I won't just assure you. Now I use it very well. I don't use it. Okay, so more or less different styles, and it's actually beautiful. You can see, look at it. Okay, so different styles, and I think I'll start making use of it very soon, likely. All right, so that's all for this particular one. We'll see. Let me change this one. Since I'm using on the dark side, I just reduce the size, use my two fingers just to reduce the size. We'll see in the next video.